Let's see what gold has created yesterday and what we can expect today, which is Friday. And where is the current status about the support and resistance level for the chart on the daily and on the lower time frames. Yesterday, after the price has formed this bullish breakout with this bullish candle, yesterday candle continued to rise in value, which was mentioning that the price will try to reach this area of resistance around 3062.77. We can see the price has come very close to it, but then drop it down. We can see that, but they did not close the candle below this area of support, which means the buys are still strong. But we can see that the wick on the lower side was trying to reach the lower levels, which means the sellers was trying to push the price even further down, but the price did not manage to go below this area of support and also very close to here to the support trend line. But let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame how this has looked yesterday. Yesterday I was trying and also waiting for the price to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 3055.53, and also yesterday around this area here I was creating analysis, and we can see that the price returned back down, touching the support level and bouncing back up, and then I was trying to make another bullish breakout above this area of resistance, targeting the target I was mentioning yesterday, this area around here 3062.77, which is currently set as a daily, but because of the all-time high price level here, there is no still historical data about this area of resistance. Will the price follow and reach this one? We can see that the price yesterday did not manage to reach this area of resistance, and the price returned back down again to the support level. Then in the next few hours the price formed this bearish breakout, which has been shared inside the premium analysis. I have shared this breakout with the targeting here the support level, and we can see the price has reached that support, which means the target was reached. This was a profitable premium analysis, a breakout information, and then the price stopped at the first support level 3039.91. Then the price would try to return back up, and we can see a strong selling pressure has pushed the price down, where the next hour has closed as an indecision almost candle, like in these two candles case. Then we can see a strong selling pressure has pushed the price down, going all the way to 3025.90, and this bearish breakout has been shared also inside the premium analysis, where the target was around here, but we can see in the next hour the price did not manage to go further down. Yesterday this area of support 3032.60 was not visible here because I was not putting this one on the chart. I have put this one after I have seen how the price is behaving, and also based on the past we can see that the price was respecting this area of resistance and support. So I have put this one line here, so this is the new support, and we can see how the price is behaving. The price has bounced back up, then returned back down, trying to move again the price, but stopped at the support level. Then again, for several hours, the price could not manage to find its way out. And then we can see here, the price was trying to move higher, but the sellers was pushing the price down, again forming here a candle with a larger body than it is in this case, and the wick on the lower side, pushing the price down. But the buys managed to make a bullish breakout here above 3039.91, targeting the level here, and the price was reaching this area of resistance. We can see that, and then forming a bearish engulfing candle, which is also a signal. We can see that this was several hours ago. The price was signaling that the price will try to move down, and in this case we can see that it was a bearish breakout going below 3039.91, and then again we can see in the last hour the price has formed this bearish breakout. This bearish breakout, which has been currently active, I have also shared currently with the premium analysis traders, where the target will be around here at the start of this area of demand zone, where this support is. So let's see 4 hour time frame how this looks. Yesterday we can see the price formed a bullish breakout going further up. The price then here could not manage to go up further up, but then the price returns back down. The price has formed this bearish breakout, touching already the support level and then bouncing back up, forming again bullish breakout above here, and we can see it is a bearish engulfing candle. This bearish engulfing candle is suggesting further decline in value. We can see that where the target will be here. So 4 hour time frame is currently shows me a bearish engulfing candle with bearish breakout. We have 1 hour forming here a bearish breakout, again forming here a bearish breakout, and on the daily time frame we are currently in the bearish breakout formation. Now we have 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame already formed a bearish breakout, suggesting further decline down, where the target will be around here, where the low of these candles are, and it is also a confluence of support. If we take a look here on the 4-hour time frame, it will be a confluence of support, and on a 1-hour time frame it is a confluence of support, because we have here a trend line which is acting as a support, and we have here horizontal support line level, which is also demands on where the buys are waiting. So for the daily, we can see how this looks. Currently it is a bearish, but we will see how the price will behave around this area of support when the price comes very close to it. And we can see that yesterday the price was bouncing between these two price levels, so the price cannot find its way clean out like yesterday, where the price was trying to move higher but then return back down. So this is the area where it's very important support level here, which is a pretty important one, because in the past we can see several times the price was trying to move down but unsuccessfully. So we'll see how the price will behave today. What is very important is today is a Friday, and the Friday is always the day when the traders get out from their trades before the weekend starts. So we cannot say where the price will end until the end of the day, because we can see currently that the price was moving sideways. So there are no buyers that will lock their profits, that will push the price down, and there are no sellers that will also lock their profits, that will allow the price to rise in value. So this is something for today. It's very important to watch how the price will behave around this area of support and this area of resistance. For now, I have two time frames suggesting further decline down in value, where the target is here around this area of support. So I am currently open to see the price here, and also I have informed the traders inside the premium analysis about this bearish breakout target in the level like here. So this is for now, for today, what I'm expecting, and also after the price comes to this area of support, and also we will see how the price will behave around here, and if the price returns back up, how the price will behave around this area of resistance. So for now I'm waiting, and especially be cautious because it is Friday, when usually the technical analysis sometimes, because of the news and also traders locking their profits, will not be followed as usual. So it's very important to stay safe, and also especially if there is no clean information about where the price should go, there is no clean information about the breakouts, bullish or bearish, it's best to stay outside of the market and wait for the next week when the Monday starts, and then start again for the next week. The trading opportunities are always there. Like yesterday, I have shared here the bearish breakout, and also this one here, a bearish breakout which was not successful. We can see that the price returned back up, but also inside the day there are more trading opportunities, and especially if you are, for example, I am covering also several of these symbols, 8 of them to get totally all these symbols. Also breakouts I analyzed and shared inside the premium analysis with the traders. So feel free to check that and see you inside. The link will be below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.